Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to draw on a video in Capcut. Let's begin. Drawing on a video in Capcut is a simple process that can add a creative and personal touch to your content. It is a great way to highlight important parts of the video, create annotations, or add cool effects. So for you to be able to draw anything here in Capcut, like drawing arrows, circles, or highlights to guide viewers' attention to specific areas of the screen, I want you to click the Capcut, and then from here, if you haven't already, just click the create a new project to begin your work and start from scratch. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this file, and as you can see, I wanted to draw a simple symbol or annotation here in my video. For you to be able to do that, I want you to hover down below where you can see all these options, right? Want to make sure you're not selecting anything. So click here. And then hover down here where you can see the draw option. I want you to click on it. From here, you can draw anything here. You can use all of these tools. Right now, you can use the pencil or the brush. So for example, you can choose the brush size and the color. So right now it's white. For example, I'm going to draw a heart. Here, that's the pattern. All right. If you don't want that, just click on undo. And then maybe we can use this one right here. Increase the brush size, and of course you can select the color, for example a pink, for example a heart. All right, and then you can choose a different color, for example a yellow, and then let me just select the size for a little bit, for example create an arrow. All right, so basically that's how you draw circles, highlights, or anything here to get attention to the specific areas of the screen, because adding a text or custom drawings can clarify or explain things in your video. It allows you to add a unique flair to your artistry here in Capcut. All right, and then once you're happy with your drawing right here, you can extend the symbol right here. You can move all of them, resize, reposition, and once you're happy, just click the export button on the top right corner to send it to your client, maybe to your client for feedback, or if you're part of a collaborative environment, send it to your team members. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.